Hi, I'm Kevin Brewer, the Northeast Technical Manager for Arborjet Ecologel, and today we're going to be going over the winterization process for the AccuFlo soil injector. So the kit, when you get these new, it's going to come with a winterization adapter, and it's just a simple adapter to go to a normal standard Schrader valve like you'd see on a bicycle tire for inflation. So what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect the AccuFlo from the backpack assembly completely. You're going to disconnect your return line and your supply line. So the supply line is the shorter one, and you're just going to take that winterization adapter and thread it right onto the supply line. So once you've got that adapter on there nice and snug, you can use any kind of compressor. You just want to make sure you have a minimum of 10 psi. So that can be either a pump like you'd use to pressurize up a bicycle tire, an electric pump for small trailer tires or car tires or things like that. Again, you just want to make sure you have that 10 psi. Whatever pump you're going to go with, you would then connect it to the Schrader valve. You'd pressurize that up, get your air flowing, and then you'd flip it over, and you want to go between the fill side. So first you're going to pressurize it, go to the fill side, and let that flush through for a couple seconds so there's no more fluid coming out, and you make sure all the water's out on that side of the cylinder. And then you're going to switch it over to the inject side. Again, let that air run through for a couple seconds to make sure you get all the liquid out of there. And then just kind of give it a double check, go through the fill and the inject one more time just to be sure. And once you've got nothing but just air coming out of the return line and the end of the gun, you're sure that all the water is out of the system, and you're all set for the winter. Thank you.